Thanks for clicking the video, and here is the text. So there are two ways that you can just send money to your friend on Binance, and with this one I'm going to show you how you can just send money to your friend and there will be no charges. I mean free, okay, no cost, okay. And we have other way that you can just send money to your friend. That other way that I'll show you in another video, or you can just check in the comment section for that video. You use the TRC20 address, or your friend will send you his or her account address, okay, in the form of TRC or any other, okay. So with that one, those of you who are into how you can make money online, especially those of you will be using that one, okay, because you want to deposit on your online money accounts, okay. So you use that one, or they will provide you with the TRC20 address. You just make payment, and then sure, they will deposit that amount into your account, okay. But this is how you can just send money to your friend. So let's show you how you can do that. But if you're new, subscribe and like the video. More videos will be coming right here on this channel. Let's start with it and let's go.
So as always, I recommend you download the Binance app from Play Store or App Store. So just check and then download the Binance app. And as you can see, my balance right here is 25 USDT. Okay, you're going to send this amount from my account right here to this account right here, step by step. So just stay cool and follow me, and let me show you how you can do it. So if in case you have any issue concerning your Binance, I mean verification, creating an account, and how you can even withdraw from your account, deposit, a whole lot about Binance, just check the comment section or the description of the video. You will get it right there. Okay, so yeah, let me take you through this step by step so that we will not waste time. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Now we are going to transfer from this account to the other one. So as you are going to transfer, okay, you can see we have this right here, like someone holding a coin. Okay, this one, okay, you just tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it, it is called the Binance Pay. Okay, so if in case you don't see yours there, or you don't see it here where we have the search, just tap there, tap on the search, and then tap on search for Binance Pay. Okay, all right, so you can see we have it here. Just tap on that one to select. Okay, so if in case too you don't see the search right here, okay, let me show you another way that you can look for or get the Binance Pay. Just tap on more right here. When you tap on more, just scroll down a little, scroll down and look for the hand holding that little coin. Okay, so let me just go to, okay, so you just here. Okay, tap on the pay. Now when you come to this side, okay, you're just going to send. So you just tap on the send right here. Just tap on send. So with this one, we are not going to pay any fee for sending the money from our phone to our friend. Okay, so you can send money to your friend using the person email right here. You just enter the email, you just tap on continue, and then we have the pay ID, and then we have the Binance ID. But right here I'll be using pay ID. Okay, I'll be using this pay ID to show you how to just send money from your phone to your friend or anyone, okay, without any charges. Okay, so when you just tap on the pay ID, you're just going to enter your friend pay ID right here. Now let me show you where your friend will get to see where the pay ID is, and then your friend will just send it to you. Okay, so let me just go to the other phone. This is the account that is receiving that amount. Okay, so same thing, your friend will also go to pay, and then right here you can see we have my pay ID. You can see we have my pay ID. Then your friend will copy his or her pay ID. Okay, so when I tap on it right here, it will copy automatically. Okay, yeah, so copied successfully. Now your friend will send his or her pay ID to you. Okay, so now you can see the pay ID has been sent. Okay, so you will receive it right here, and then you copy the pay ID. You copy the pay ID, you go to Binance, and then you paste the ID right here. Okay, so after pasting the ID right here, just tap on continue right here. please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Okay, then you enter the amount that you want to send to your friend right here. So let's say 10, or we said 25. Okay, so let's go for 25 USDT. Okay, so the currency too, you can just select it right here. So let's say you don't have USDT, but you have BTC or whatever, and then you want to send to your friend. You just tap on where we have the USDT. You can see there is a little arrow. Just tap on it, and then you select the coin or the cryptocurrency that you wish to send. Okay, but right now I have only USDT, I mean money in my USDT. Okay, and then you can just add a note. Okay, yeah, something like, please subscribe and like. Okay, even if you want to subscribe, please like. Okay, then you just tap on confirm right here. Okay, so you can see the amount is 25 USDT, and then you can just add a note. The note is not compulsory, it's optional. Okay, then you just tap on continue down here. Okay, so it will just give you the person's name. Okay, so you can see the nickname or the person's name right here is there. Okay, so you just confirm from your friend. Okay, and then ask, is this your name? Is that your name? Yeah, then you just confirm. Okay, then you see we are sending 25 USDT, and the person or the payee, okay, your friend will receive that same amount without any charges. Okay, and then when you come to this side, you can see we have pay with, we have the wallet. When you tap on it, okay, so it will let you give you the option whereby if in case you have money in your funding wallet and not your spot wallet, or even from your end flexible wallet, you just select anyone wherever that you want that amount to be taken from or subtracted from. You just select that one. But since I have money only in funding wallet, that's what I will select. Okay, then the currency is USDT. Okay, no need for you to change anything. All right, let's go back and then look down here and tap on confirm. Okay, so let's see for the other phone. Let me go back. Okay, so because of security issues, I have my password. This is just a second verification so that no one can just even take money or send money from your accounts, okay, without you on notice. So now I will tap on continue because I've used Face ID. Okay, now I'll wait for a little while, and the money is sent and the person has received it instantly. Okay, so with this one, no delay, in just seconds the person has received the money. Okay, so now let's go back on our friend's phone, and then let's refresh right here. So now you can see 25.39 USDT in their account, and then payment is successful. Okay, so this is how you can just send, okay, to your friend. Okay, so after that, just tap on done at the top. So in case you want to know how you can just send money through the TRC20, just check in the comment section or description of this video, and then you will see it right there. Okay, so now you can see it has been sent. So just go to pay, you pay through the pay ID, and then it's very simple. Now the money has been sent, and not even a dime was deducted from my account.